Motorhead Garage, presented by TopCoat, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. LS Harness Connection, quality standalone LS swap harnesses and products at affordable prices. AP Laser, leading the way. And by TopCoat, make life easier.
Welcome back to Motorhead Garage, presented by TopCoat. Here is another segment from our sister show, Performance TV, hosted by yours truly. Hope you enjoy it. Everybody loves a great barn find, and those seem like such a great idea until you get it home and you look at the parts like this. It looks like you won't ever be able to get this part back and you'll need to buy something new. But guess what? It's not impossible. That is why Jeff is here to show us what we can do with parts like this, thanks to Eclipse Surface Technologies. And Jeff, what do you have?
So, Dave, we have a very unique, one-of-a-kind mobile vapor blasting system. And it is designed and engineered for just what you referred to. All of those rusty parts can be brought back to life and restored to like new condition and beyond. So we can do an awful lot with our system besides just cleaning and blasting car parts. We offer a very portable system. We have the ability to very quickly detach our blaster and take it where the work is. We also offer a way to do on-demand, both wet and dry blasting. The idea with our machine is to keep everything dry in the vessel, so the machine doesn't care what you put into it. Your media doesn't necessarily have to sink for it to work in our blaster. So what I'm talking about is it accepts baking soda, a very fine and soft media, but it also can shoot very hard abrasives and media all at once, if you will, right? If you wanted to do one part like a manifold using baking soda, you can do that, and then you can do a quick changeover to a different media if all of a sudden you're removing rust from steel.
And of course, operating it is super simple.
Very simple. I can train someone on how to use it in less than 30 minutes. Even our connections for the blast hose are color-coded. And then lastly, we offer a very broad pressure range. So for traditional steel blasting, most guys are going to go at about 100 psi. In our system, you can crank up to that pressure and blast all day long. But there are some times where you don't necessarily want to be so aggressive. So our system also allows the operator to bring the pressure all the way down to even 5 or 10 psi. You're really not blasting at such an ultra low pressure, and instead you're doing a lot of cleaning, delicate cleaning operations. When you don't want to do any harm to the surface, when you want to be extra careful, this machine will allow you to do that. You would not need to switch over to a different tool to do that type of cleaning. We work very closely with the National Park Service, and they do use our machines up in Gettysburg for statue and monument restoration. And in that world, their slogan is to do no harm, right? They're preserving priceless works of art, if you think about it. Our system allows people to do that type of cleaning using a very environmentally friendly media and do no harm to that surface.
Well, if I have something like this and I've got a statue or something that's really sensitive and delicate, I don't want to mess it up. I don't want to experiment with it.
Right.
So what kind of support do you guys give me as an owner to do a project like that?
So it's unlimited support. So once someone becomes a customer of Eclipse, they're a customer for life. So not only do we make sure they get factory direct training on how to use the system and how to make sure that if they're approaching a delicate project, how to make that approach safe and sound, but they also may run into some projects a year from now. Call us. We can help guide them as far as using the right media, as far as using the right pressure. Do I want to use water or do I want to go dry? Those are all the different variables that people encounter every day, and we are there to help. We're very easy to get a hold of, and we take service to heart.
Who's your target market? Who are the people that are really using this all the time?
So it's twofold. Dedicated car professionals, auto restorers, absolutely. This is a wonderful tool to put into their toolkit. They can do an awful lot, not just traditional sandblasting. It goes way beyond that. But for the independent contractor, someone that's looking to start their own business or to add on to an existing business that they already are operating, this system can do graffiti removal. This system can work hand in hand with people in municipal garages. Companies have shutdowns, plants have shutdowns. They have a big need to do cleaning and surface prep in a manufacturing line, let's say, and our system would allow that work to be outsourced to the contractor, and they can come in with our system. It's very easy to bring into a plant environment and to do what we call clean in place or blast in place projects.
How easy is it to make this your own business?
It's easy to buy the system, right? And we can help people with financing options and things of that nature. But it's hard work. If you've never owned and operated your own business before, you have to be willing to put forth an effort. But we help people every step of the way. So if someone's willing to really make a go of it, my best advice is you got to be real serious about it. You got to understand the phone's not going to ring off the hook. You have to do your part. There's a whole world out there of digital marketing, which we're very well versed in, and we share all of our marketing intelligence with people. We don't charge extra, but we can give people some really solid tips on how to get their business off the ground quicker than some other guys.
Of course, you have to put some of the elbow grease in yourself, but really owning one, you guys make it easy at Eclipse Surface Technologies. If you want to check it out, go to their website. It's a really cool thing, and you get your own business started right at home. Do not go anywhere, because Motorhead Garage, presented by TopCoat, is coming back at you right after this.